Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by prioritizing safety. Confirm fuel type and have at least one full tank or 5 gallons ready because running low causes surges. Check oil and coolant levels. Top off as needed. Once done, move the unit to a level, ventilated surface away from vents and doors to prevent carbon monoxide buildup. Make sure the home main breaker is off or a transfer switch is in place to isolate circuits. This prevents backfeed into the grid and protects utility workers. You prime the fuel system if needed, set the choke per the manual, and start the engine using the electric starter or pull cord. Expect 1 to 2 attempts on a cool engine. Let it run 3-5 minutes to stabilize RPMs and oil pressure, then switch on the transfer circuits or plug in essential loads only. Make sure to add heavy loads like fridge or HVAC one at a time, waiting a minute or two between each to avoid overload and tripped breakers. You finish by turning off connected appliances and loads before shutting down the generator, allowing it to idle for 2 to 5 minutes to cool and normalize temperatures and pressures. When cool, shut off the engine and refuel carefully, never while running to avoid fire hazards. If the generator stalls or won't start, check fuel level, oil, choke position, and that breakers and the transfer switch are set correctly. Troubleshooting these common issues usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.